$5 million for a car. What's so special about it? Yes, you read well. $5 million for a car. $5 million. An amount with which you could buy a luxury house, several apartments, a complete collection of sports cars, or even build an entire business. But there is a small group of cars in the world whose price can reach and even exceed that figure. And here comes the question. What can a car have worth $5 million? Because when we talk about a $50,000, $100,000, or even $300,000 car, we can still understand that we are paying for power, technology, design, materials, and performance. But when we reach the millions of dollars, history changes completely. You're not just buying a car anymore. You're buying exclusivity. You're buying history. You are buying engineering that will probably never be manufactured in the same way again. And in some cases, you are buying a piece that could become an authentic collector's work. The most unique hypercar manufacturers on the planet can only produce a few units of certain models, while a conventional car can be manufactured by thousands or even millions of units. Some hypercars are built practically like handmade pieces. Every detail can be customized. The interior can use exclusive materials. The body can incorporate carbon fiber. The engine can be developed with technology derived from competition, and the aerodynamics can be so advanced that the car seems designed more for a circuit than for a road. But there is something even more interesting. The price does not always depend on the car. In the world of collectors, the history behind a car can be even more important than its performance. A vehicle that belonged to a famous person, a model used in competition, an extremely limited edition, a prototype, a special version made for a few customers, or simply a car that became a historic piece. All that can make your value increase in an extraordinary way. And that's where the world of supercars becomes completely different. Because you can have two apparently similar vehicles, but one can be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, while the other can be worth millions. And now comes the part I want to know about you. If you had $5 million available exclusively to buy a car, what would you choose? Ferrari, Lamborghini, McLaren, Rolls-Royce, Bugatti, Koenigsegg, or would you look for an extremely rare classic car? Leave me your choice in the comments, and don't answer only with the brand. Tell me exactly which car you would buy. Because between a collection Ferrari, a modern Bugatti, an extremely exclusive Koenigsegg, and a classic that practically does not exist on the market, $5 million can buy completely different experiences. The real question is not, why would someone pay $5 million for a car? The real question is, what car would you buy if $5 million wasn't a problem? Follow us if you are one of those who think that a car is not only a means of transport, because here we talk about supercars, hypercars, luxury, speed, design, engineering, and the stories that make some cars reach millions. What would be your choice?